Hello, I'm Guy Murray from Alisonn Limited. Alisonn is a brand new company to the UK market. Even though we are brand new, we bring 20 years worth of experience. Our focus is on single dwelling market as well as multi-dwelling units, super prime residential sector. Today we are in the amenity space at the Bryanston, a super prime residential development consisting of 54 luxurious apartments. Alisonn were appointed to deliver a state-of-the-art cinema within the amenity spaces. Deciding what equipment to specify was a journey that we went through with the client. We visited the Hyde showroom in Basingstoke. We went through the different options for audio, for video. I was quite happy actually that they decided to proceed with Wisdom audio solution whilst also pairing it with the Storm processor and also still keeping in the specification, the madVR video processor. That allowed us to deliver something that is truly quite remarkable as an end finished product, and we're very happy with it.
Hi, I'm David Bunnage and I'm a Business Development Manager for Hyde. Here at the Bryanston we have a full Wisdom 7.4.4 line source Wisdom cinema. That speaker layout consists of 3 Sage Line 2s at the front, LI surrounds, ICS7As as height, Dolby Atmos channels and S90i subwoofers. All of the amplification in this cinema are Wisdom and that's supported with a 32-channel Storm processor. In this cinema we have a 5-metre acoustically transparent screen research screen, a JVC NZ900 and a madVR Extreme video processor. Being a communal cinema in the heart of a luxury development, the client wanted a cinema with no compromise. For this reason, Wisdom was the obvious choice. The brand being deeply rooted in cinema and being able to offer reference level Dolby Atmos even in a room this size. When the cinema was finished, we arranged for our in-house video calibrator to come down and set up the JVC and the madVR to industry standard. This has really transformed the image and allows the viewer to see exactly what the director intended.
My name is Chris Ruffle, I'm a project director at Almacanter. So when we started our cinema project, we wanted to make sure that we were delivering the very best cinema experience for our residents. So we were invited to the Hyde studio in Basingstoke and we were taken through everything to do with audio and visual. We left very happy after that, knowing exactly what we needed to deliver. Since we launched the space to our residents, the feedback has been absolutely staggering. We had high hopes because we had sneak previews as to how the space would be during the construction phase. We worked closely with the team during the commissioning to understand how the system should be set up. But the acid test really is the feedback from our residents, and it has unanimously been so positive. We're thrilled with the results. This project was a joy. The team were highly motivated, highly performing, nothing was too much trouble. We had tremendous support throughout. It was a fascinating experience seeing the cinema being delivered, from the install itself, but also the commissioning. I had no idea in terms of the fine-tuning that went into the audio and the visual to deliver the end result. And it was lovely to actually have full transparency. We worked closely with the team to refine the system to our preferences. We're really, really thrilled with the result. The feedback's been tremendous. Even now the scheme's been delivered, the team are back here today tweaking and refining just to make sure it's as good as it possibly can be. And that's a rarity these days, so we couldn't be happier.